The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Close the glove box and remove the 3 screws securing the bottom. Grab and pull on the glove box to release the tabs from the catch so you can remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Disconnect the light. Unclip the cord from the back of the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the cord. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Close the glove box. Reinstall the bottom screws. Open the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.